Welcome back to another video from WalkTech. People have created many new and more advanced tools than their predecessor or invented totally new ways for us to work throughout history. Today we will be showing you some incredible and game-changing tools that are another level. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon to see more like it. See, this ergonomic PVC handle allows you to safely carry up to 100 kg. Their height adjustable technology accommodates a wide range of sizes. You can lifting and carrying objects in a safe manner, especially at an angle. It is made of cast aluminium and can be used on straight run of shelves, tabletop, internal door, and any curved panel that cannot be attached with bar clamps. And the best part, the U-shaped form allows it to be pulled out of a panel rack. With this tool, you can punch through both stainless steel and mild steel in together. It makes perfect holes in size ranging from half to 6 and makes a great addition to your toolkit. Also fits any power corded or cordless drill model. Its manufacturing tube diameters and center point marks are clearly indicated on the punches and dies for perfect alignment, no matter which way you cut. It is a multi-purpose hammer with a built-in crowbar. Its patented gauge system combines 7 tools into one outstanding hammer, also included with a separate pry bar that can be used without the hammer. Once it is installed, the pry bar can be folded out to any angle between 0 degree to 180 degree. It also has a built-in 1.5 skate drive ratchet, because the ratchet gearing allows the pry bar to be positioned at different angles. It should be exceedingly strong and durable. This 230 DET concrete crusher is ideal for renovation projects. It's a huge hydraulic power jaw that clamps down at 700 bar of pressure. With its lightweight and small shape, this tool has amazing cutting and spreading capabilities. It's a rescue portable cutter that can cut through pillar, metal pipe, rope, and cables. And the best part is that there is no need for hydraulic pump. Here is a light and handy power hammer for beginner and professional cutlers and artistic blacksmith. This hammer allows you to create and shape smaller metal objects without taking up a lot of space. It does not require a heavy construction basement under the heavy machine. And the best part, it is easily movable and adjusts to workpieces with diameters ranging from 0 to 35 mm. This is patented leaf blower attachment which easily fits in any leaf blower. It combines sweeping and yard debris collection into a single task. And collecting debris is not fun, but with this you can do it faster. It turns any leaf blower into a debris collector. This will avoid debris from spreading to other people's properties or from accumulating in storm drains, which could result in flooding. These small spring clamps are ideal for maintaining pressure while gluing meters, and the point will be joined when the glue is dry. And meters start opening at the tips when glued up because end grain is cut on the diagonal. They keep any mitred corner from opening up while glue dries for the perfect finish. Miter clamps are the only way to pressurize compound miter, and they will hold any compound miter, as well as any awkward shape or profile. This ideal ladder accessory is the pivot ladder tool. It has been designed to reduce the risk of injury while working on a ladder. When changing a light bulb, painting a wall, or working on a roof, it will make your job a lot easier. If you use this ladder on a daily or annual basis, you will realize that all of your activities will be easier and safer than before. It is made of polypropylene with non-skid material at the foot of the ladder and conveyor belt material on each corner to help minimize movement. The Holmatro telescopic is designed for technical operations, like rescue. Its unique blade design assures smooth and controlled operation. The weight only 9.9 kg and has an excellent grip for precise tool control. The most important factor in the development of this series was weight loss without compromising force or distance spreading. At the same time, it offers every spreading capability. You will need this to free a trapped victim. This is also quite simple and straightforward to do. This spider bar attaches to any power drill in seconds. It has a handy mechanism for removing outside edge bars quickly. It is very fast and easy chamfering on external tubes and work on most industrial plastic tube with a range of up to 4. And the diameter of the spider bar automatically and quickly adjusts to the required outer circumference of the pipe.